From humble banana trees to this exquisite Patola saree, this is where sustainable luxury is born.
One plant, one saree. A revolution in textile manufacturing happening right here.
This is the journey from agricultural waste to heirloom luxury.
This is not ordinary textile. This is the future of Patola. Banana fiber fabrics have natural antimicrobial properties and high tensile strength. What was once farm waste is now the foundation of luxury fashion.
Only the strongest fibers will become a Patola saree. Every strand is tested here.
These fibers waited months after harvest. Now their transformation begins. From thick stem to fine thread, the first real transformation happens here.
Precision by weight ensures every Patola saree maintains consistent quality.
Moisture control now prevents breakage later. This step determines the final drape of the saree.
The secret of Patola lies in the perfect blend. One wrong ratio changes everything. This is the moment banana waste truly begins its journey to becoming luxury.
From short fibers to continuous yarn, this is where strength is born.
Patola patterns demand strong yet flexible yarn. This twisting gives it both. Doubling twist levels for saree yarn.
The colors of a Patola saree are decided long before the loom. These natural dyes don't just color the yarn, they become part of its soul. After color comes control. Every meter of yarn must be perfectly tensioned. This is the skeleton of the Patola. Every thread here has a purpose. The loom is ready. Soon, centuries-old patterns will meet modern banana fiber. Thread by thread, the magic of Patola is reborn through banana fiber. This is where art and engineering meet. Every pick tells a story. One wrong color here and the entire Patola story changes. Precision is everything.
Even at high speed, no flaw is allowed to pass. This is Patola quality.
One saree length complete. But the journey is far from over.
Even the smallest imperfections are burned away for that perfect Patola finish. Singeing improves fabric smoothness and dye uptake in natural fiber textiles.
This step gives the saree its famous flowing drape.
Heat and pressure create that luxurious touch people love in Patola.
Only the flawless pieces move forward. This is where true luxury is confirmed. The border is not decoration, it is the identity of a Patola saree. From banana tree to this moment, Inton, the fabric has earned its place.
Heat locks in the form, so the saree keeps its elegant drape for years.
The last bath before it meets the world as luxury.
Every cut must be perfect. A millimeter off and the symmetry is lost.
These clean edges are what separate ordinary fabric from heirloom Patola.
The final touches that make it truly worthy of being called Patola.
Steam and pressure give it that showroom-ready perfection. Respectful hands prepare it for its new owner.
The box is as thoughtful as the saree itself.
Every saree carries its own story and guarantee. Ready to travel from factory to someone's special occasion.
From this point, the world knows exactly what's inside.
One pallet carries dreams for dozens of customers. Ancient. This is the future of textile. Sustainable, beautiful, banana fiber patola production can repurpose
Numbers that represent both tradition and innovation. Sustainable textile lines often achieve 90% plus material utilization rates.
Each box carries a piece of the future. One factory line can produce 50 to 200 luxury sarees per shift, depending on design.
From banana tree to this moment of elegance. This is sustainable luxury. This mark ensures the saree's story can always be traced back to its origin. It must look perfect under every light before it leaves the factory.
The last machine it touches ensures it remains pristine.
This box will be the first thing a customer opens. It must feel special.
Every detail helps the customer cherish their patola for generations. Complete documentation supports warranty and authenticity claims.
Protected for its journey across the world. Automated sealing ensures consistent protection.
From factory to customer, the journey is now fully documented. Barcode systems enable real-time tracking worldwide.
Many sarees, one strong case, it's Epian, ready for the world. One pallet holds the work of many hands and machines. Ready to leave the factory and bring sustainable luxury to the world. This is the future of textile, turning waste into wearable art.
Every number here represents innovation and respect for tradition.
From trees in the field to these pallets, a complete circle of sustainability. This is what happens when tradition meets innovation. From banana trees to timeless elegance.